Sore, achy muscles and don't know what to do? Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make an easy, natural pain relief rub.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of LuckyDogCreations.
Hello friends, today I'm doing another DIY pain relief rub. And you probably have noticed that on several of my projects I will do several different recipes. And the reason why I do that is because it's not a one size fits all. There are a lot of recipes out there. Some works for some people, some works for others. So I just want you to be aware of, just because I do one, it's not the one that will work for you. So I want to give you several different choices to try. So let's get started, shall we? And this is probably one of the easiest recipes out there for pain relief. I'm going to put in 1/4 cup coconut oil. And coconut oil reduces inflammation, it moisturizes and protects skins from harmful bacteria. 1/4 cup coconut oil. And you want to use the solid coconut oil, and then we'll go ahead and melt that. And the reason why is because this is going to be like a lotion or a rub, so you'll need it to be a little bit solid. And then you're going to want to put the coconut oil over a double boiler. If you don't have a double boiler, just get a pan of hot water and a heatable bowl or cup and stick in there. As the water gets hot, it will melt the coconut oil without scorching it. It is almost fully melted. And this will probably fit the size of a 2-ounce jar. I don't have a 2-ounce jar, so I'm going to be putting it into a 4-ounce one, but you can easily double the recipe. It is fully melted, and we'll let it sit for a couple of minutes to cool before we add the essential oils. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes and we're going to add the essential oils. We're going to be using 12 drops of frankincense. Frankincense strengthens the skin, it improves the defense mechanisms against bacteria, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. 12 drops of frankincense. And next we'll be using myrrh. Myrrh reduces inflammation, it stimulates the immune system, and it alleviates pain. 12 drops of myrrh. And the last essential oil is ginger, and it soothes redness and it eliminates bacteria, and we're only going to be using 6 drops of ginger. And then we will stir that all up to get it thoroughly incorporated. And then I have a 4-ounce glass jar. You always want to use glass when you deal with essential oils. And then just pour that in there. And then we'll go ahead and let that set up, and then I'll be back. After several hours, here is the end result. You may want to speed up the process of setting up by putting it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Here's what it looks like. And the way to use it, you just go ahead and get a little bit on your finger, and then just rub it in on the affected area. It feels really, really good. And there you have it. I hope that you enjoy my videos. I appreciate all my subscribers. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.